y'all, so today we are going to make a Valentine's Day themed door sign. So I have this wooden heart cut out, and all we're going to do really with this is just attach these Sola Wood Flowers to it. We're going to do either a mixed color or I might just do all one color. I'm not too sure yet, but I do have a lot of really pretty colors here that I've used from Sola Wood Flowers. So I'll share with you guys the colors that I have. So this is Country Red by Sola Wood Flowers, and then this is the Merlot, which is one of my favorites because it has like a really deep purple color. And then we have the Flamingo Pink. This is a really pretty soft pink color. I did a TikTok video on the 3 different dyeing options that you have for these, and I will link that in the description below for you guys to go check it out. But it's just showing you the 3 different ways that you can dye your flowers. So this one I completely hand painted, so it is more of a solid bold color. So these are the 2 that I actually dyed in like a water-based mixture. So for this one I used the Sola Wood Flowers Country Red, so it's more of like a darker red color. And then this one I did a paint mixture. So the paint that I used for this one was the Folk Art chalk paint, and it's the Pioneer Red. So this is more of a light red color. So as you'll see in my TikTok video, I just mixed some paint into the water and then just dunk this as you would with your Sola dye. Now this is just what I had on hand. This is the red I had on hand. You can use any types of acrylic paints and just mix them into your water if you want to try out some different colors. So what we're gonna do is I have this wooden heart cut out, and I plan to just glue my flowers on top of this and just mix in different colors and different shapes of flowers and just see what we can come up with that. So all you need is just some flowers and a hot glue gun, and then just your base shape that you want to create your door sign with. So I'm just going to add a whole lot of glue on the back of the flower and just try to put it on the petals, just anywhere it's going to touch the sun, so that it will grab onto it really well. So we're just going to put that right on there. So Sola offers these rose style flowers. They're really pretty. I think they're called the Love Rose pack. You can order them separately from like the mix pack, and they're still really soft even though that they're dyed. So still really pretty. It's one of my favorites that I've got from Sola. We're gonna add in the rose, put my glue in here right where I'm going to attach it to my other flower. I'm just gonna bunch this right in here because I want it to be close. I want them all to be really close so there's no space in between them. So I love working with these flowers. They are very soft. I don't use any softener for mine. I literally just pull them straight out the pack and go straight to dyeing them, and they turn out really pretty. So this is giving me a whole nother idea as well that I kind of wish I would have went with, but you could put like flowers all on one side and then just leave another side with the wood showing to put like a quote or something on it. That would be really pretty. Or just do like kind of like a design like kind of over the edge a little bit, and then have enough space around with just the wood showing. It'd be really cute that way. So kind of like this, and then just leave a spot for you to put something custom on there or personal on there as a gift idea, or still as a door hanger. And then we'll have a little space here we can add a little flower. You'll see my massive amount of flowers that I have here. Yep, look, we have some little tinies in the bottom of this. So let me get all these out because they will be helpful for the filler parts. Try to dig through, making a mess. All my flowers are falling out. Let's just go ahead and take off this top. I'll just set them aside. So here's another one deep down in the bottom. Like little tinies like this will be perfect for filling in the gaps. So these came in a separate pack as well. I ordered these separately. They were just little mini flowers, and I'm glad I did because they come in handy for this. So really cute little flowers, perfect for little filler spots that we need. So we can add one of these into this little hole right there, and it'll be a perfect little fit. And it fills in that little hole we had. So now I'm going to try to work on this edge, I think. If you've never used Sola Wood Flowers before, I do have a video on how to dye your flowers. I will link that above and down below in the description for you guys to go check that out. And I'll just show you the basics of dyeing your flowers. So I think this turned out really pretty. So we can make it a door hanger. To do that, what color should we use for our ribbon? Do a polka dot? I think a polka dot hanger would look good. This as the hanger. Not too much just do a simple like twine because it's just soft color along with the heart itself. So I'm gonna flip this over and add in our hanger. We're just gonna do a little glue here. And add another glue on top just to make sure it secures it really well. Now I just put glue on the back of this because this is super lightweight. The flowers are really light and this wood cutout is also very light, so this would definitely be enough to hold this little twine piece on if you're going to hang it up in your house or on your door. If you do want to add extra security to it, you can take a little staple gun like this and just staple it onto the back. That's usually what I do for my more heavyweight door hangers. This one I'm not going to use on this because the staples in this are a little too long. They'll go right through and I don't want to mess up the front of the sign. So we're just going to leave it with the glue because I think that that will be plenty to secure this little twine hanger. So this is how it looks on the front. It's super pretty in my opinion. I really love it. It'd be really cute to hang on your door for Valentine's Day or to give as a gift if you want to give it to somebody. Just a really cute piece and super easy to make. Once you have all your flowers dyed, use all different colors. You don't have to use these specific colors. They have so many different options with Sola Wood Flowers that you can choose from. You can also, of course, use the acrylic paint option. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one.